Hermi Multi Flat is a universal mounting solution for solar power plants on flat roofs. To successfully assemble the multi-flat system, gather the following components: SOL-N41 Front Fastener, SOL-N42 Back Fastener, SOL-P40 Mounting Rail, SOL-PRL Multi-purpose Padding, middle and end clamps for photovoltaic panels. The lightweight nature of this system allows for installation either on the floor or in an elevated position, simplifying the process. Mark the appropriate positions of the fasteners on the mounting rail based on the type of installation and the size of the solar panels. This careful marking ensures accurate placement of the fasteners, enabling efficient installation tailored to the specific requirements of your solar power system. Position the front fastener and securely attach it to the rail using a hammerhead bolt. Repeat the same process for the back fastener. To safeguard the roof from any potential damage, it is mandatory to use roofing protection. In general, we recommend SOL-PRL padding. Installing the padding is effortless as it can be easily clicked onto the rail. Move the fully assembled multi-flat system to its designated final position. If you require additional expansion of the mounting rail, the SOL-SO3B longitudinal connecting element is a suitable option to consider. When a stronger connection between rails is required, it is advisable to use the SOL-S40 longitudinal connecting element. This component provides the necessary strength and stability for the connection, ensuring the structural integrity of the connection in demanding conditions. For ballast installment, place SOL-PRL 210 padding under the rail and place a concrete plate on top of it. For additional fastening of a concrete plate, the SOL-P40 BRF is available as an option. This component enables secure attachment of the concrete plate, ensuring stability in the installation. Install the end clamps onto the front and back fasteners. Then place the photovoltaic panel onto the fasteners. Finally, secure the panel in place by fastening it with the clamps. To securely fasten two adjacent panels in place, use the SOL-SO1C middle click clamp. Simply click the clamp into the slot on the fastener, then position the panels and fasten the middle clamp. For a standard south orientation setup, a windshield is available. The installation process involves placing the windshield on the back side of the panel and securing it in place using appropriate fastening materials. This process guarantees that the windshield is firmly attached, providing added protection and stability to the solar panel. The Hermi multi-flat system is suitable for solar power plants of various sizes on flat roofs. Its versatile design and modularity make it an appropriate choice regardless of the scale of the solar power plant. Whether you are setting up a small rooftop solar system or a large-scale solar power plant, the Hermi multi-flat system can accommodate your needs effectively.